Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Holowitz, and sometimes people will ask me what is my ACT serial number and or version of ACT. So let me show you how to figure that out. It's very simple. Simply go up and click on Help, go down to About ACT, and when you do that you're going to see two things. Right up top you're going to see the version number, and down in the middle section you're going to see your serial number and the number of licenses you actually have. So that is my version 24.0.204-0 update 7, and that is my serial number down below. Now recently I had a customer reach out to me and said they needed their serial number, and what I recommend is once you get this, come in and copy this by selecting the text, right clicking, go copy, and once you do that, take that, put it in an email or a file on your computer, but put it in an email and send it to yourself. That way you have your ACT serial number in your email, put it in a text file or a Word document on your computer, and then you have it for future use. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye now.